So my name is Neelam Vaidya. I am the co-founder and CEO of Viridiscape. We started in 2014 and we have the largest toxicity database, and using that information we are providing real-time toxicity evaluations of any chemical, including new drug targets or even postulated chemicals. We ourselves are learning how different people use this information. During drug discovery time, that's the time when you want to minimize your R&D time. So our product allows you to do that. We can provide toxicity evaluation in real time. So as a result, even before you start the R&D on a molecule, you will understand the properties and the toxicity implications of those molecules. So after the drug discovery, there is a process development time. During that time, it's the chemists and the chemical engineers who are developing those processes who don't understand toxicology. If these scientists have the toxicity information ahead of time, they would naturally choose less toxic material. As a result, you are going to have a sustainable product development processes right from the beginning. Information on toxicity really is a key part of the teaching green chemistry. What our product provides in this case is for the students, they can understand by providing a structure and then modifying the structure and looking at the difference in toxicity. They can correlate how the structure changes affect the toxicity. By providing that, we identify alternate chemicals that are less toxic. So it's a really great educational tool for the students to understand not just the toxicity but also chemistry behind it. We want to be able to evaluate the toxicity of not just the chemicals but other things in future. We would work with the suppliers to provide securely provide their ingredient information, create the reports, and we would like to work with certifying agencies to get the certifications on those formulations. This would build trust between the suppliers and the manufacturers. And the retailers are also interested. So when the scientists are looking to improve the process, they can focus on certain steps and look to reduce the toxic waste within those steps.